Bye. What's up?
Hey.
We're at Muir Beach in Bay Area. I don't know. What city is this exactly? Is it
Marin County.
Marin County?
Marin County.
It's Marin County. I'm sorry. I haven't been to many beaches.
We know that this won't last, not like it used to. And I'm okay with that.
She's making fun of me for my sock tan line.
You're still wearing socks.
I know it's bad. Trust me. I know it's I know it's really bad.
I thought mine was bad. My Tiva tan line.
Yeah, but mine's like
yours is horrible. It's okay. Just put like sunscreen everywhere but your feet.
So what are you about to do?
Get the Oreo into the mouth.
This is your talent.
It's my only talent. Shh, I'm concentrating.
Just have it. You almost got it. I believe in you. You got it. Wow. Brava, brava. Alright, so we already took like a swim. And now we're doing like a little adventuring. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this kid actually dug a hole. Wow. You look like you're like popping a squat.
I can feel it in my bones, sinking deeper in the overflow. Can you feel it in your soul? If I'm honest, maybe we're better off alone.
What is that? Ooh.
Stick your finger in it.
Why? What is it? What is that? It does sink. Oh my gosh. What the heck?
It kisses your finger.
Whoa, that's so cool. That's awesome. Just like inhales your finger. Just.
Ooh, I want a pet.
I already have a bunch of chickens at home.
It's so cute though.
You can barely take care of yourself, Sierra. How are you gonna take care of that?
And I won't let go what I called a home unless it slipped right through my fingers in the rain. But I've thrown it all over waterfalls.